Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue signing in to Microsoft Office or Office 365 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I'm going to recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best match should come back with Control Panel. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by on the top right to large icons and then select Credential Manager. So now that we're on this page, you want to go ahead and expand the Windows Credential section. So just go ahead and left click on that. Now, if you see any credentials listed in here that belong to Microsoft Office, you would just go ahead and select it. And then you would select the remove option. So again, select remove. So again, you would select remove, and that's pretty much it. And then once you're done with that, you would close out of here. So once that's done, you want to go ahead and open up the search menu and type in Regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you can easily restore it back. And in order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And now we're ready to begin. So double click on the HK current user folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for Microsoft. And there should be an Office folder now. Go locate Office and double click on it. Double click on the 16 folder, and then there should be a common folder in here, and then there should be an identity key under there. If you need to pause the video and take note of our file path, you can see it up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash indicates a different subkey that we've gone under to get to this point. And now on the right side, now that we've selected identity, right click on a blank area, select new and select the word 32-bit value. You want to name this value enable, ADAL, again, enable, and then capital A, capital D, capital A, capital L, and then hit enter. Double click on it. Make sure that the base is set to hexadecimal and value data is 0. If there's already a value in here with that name, just double click on it. And then again, like I said, make sure value data is set to 0. And then once that's done, select OK. And then we are going to go ahead and actually restart our computer at this point in order for the changes to take effect. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.